Okay, so I had a cooler shower that was only producing cold water, so I had to change a part. The shower pressure balancing unit goes for about 35 bucks on Amazon and about 50 at the Home Depot. Here's what the packaging looks like, and there's the part number. So to get behind this thing, you'd have to twist this counterclockwise, and then the whole thing should come off like so. Then you're gonna take some of these screws out. A little plastic piece comes off. Then you got two more screws. 1, 2. Then this metal piece kind of just wiggles out of there like so. Then you're ready to remove this unit thing here. I just give it a firm shake and it should come off, and oof, yeah, there will be water. So make sure you got a towel ready. Then you could remove the PBU, pressure balancing unit, and make sure the gaskets are not back there as well. That's the thing that we need to replace because it failed. So you want to make sure you change out all the gaskets. Make sure they look alike. Now usually the cold water will be on the right side, so you can just shove that back in there. And if you look at that metal ring, it does say top, so just make sure that is at the top. Then you're going to line up the thing over there, then put that metal bracket right on top of it. Grab some screws back in there. Screw those back into place. Then put that plastic piece back on top, and two screws top and bottom. I probably wouldn't use a impact driver if I were you, but I felt kind of brave. Then you will put the plate back on and tighten it clockwise. You should be good to go.